Hello everyone, my name is Victor and let me show you how to turn your Google Analytics into a live and shareable dashboard like that. It takes just few seconds and free and no code. First step, please log in here. You can do it using your Google account as well, like this. Okay. And I have trial version for my account, but it works as well for free accounts and for premiums. You can connect your Google Analytics easily. Just click on Connect Google Analytics at read-only access, encrypting tokens, and you can revoke at any time. After that, click on Give Access and then pick your Google Analytics property and click on Create Dashboards. Choose your time frame and Creating. You automatically can see different type of metrics: active users, sessions, dimensions, and so on and so forth. That is live Google Analytics charts. You can auto sync data, for example, every 1 hour. Generate summary using AI related to your data. Okay, and after that you can share it with audience or embed to any websites. It does few seconds, and after that if you want you can add different other properties if you have trial or premium accounts. You can create sports as many as you want, boards after refreshes, and MonChart helps write your AI that you can use for optimization, for example, your search engine. This page fully indexable by search engine as well, and that's not only numbers, it's really great insights. Please share it with public, with your audience easily. Okay, you can see here how it looks like, or embed at any websites or docs. It stays live wherever you put it. It's free on MonChart. Connect your property and build your first one at monchart.com. Thank you.